Welcome to our metaverse to have an experience. Today we're gonna use some real-world dataset to do some visualization practice in Python. The two third-party packages we're gonna use are Plotly and Dash. And the dataset would be the census data of Hong Kong Shui district. Because for most of our students, if you already finished all of our lessons in this series, Plotly and Dash are really our old friend, right? You've already got very familiar with them. So in today's video, I will just very quickly go through some examples and show you the results just for your reference. Okay, so now let's get started.
Okay, you can download the datasets from our metaverse. One is for the data of Shui district. The other one is the introduction of this dataset. Okay, this is the first exercise. Here are some tips to create the solution. You can go to the Dash official site to get some clue. Okay, here is the solution. You can download this .py file from the metaverse. After pressing the Run button, you can get an address. Copy the address to your browser. In this way, you can have a look at the website you just create. Okay, you can have a look. This website is a relatively simple one. It contains mainly a drop-down menu. When you select the options in this menu, the sentence will change. Okay, here is exercise 2. You can have a look what variables we are going to use in the dataset. If you want to figure out the solution, maybe you can revise the solution of exercise 1 to have a try. Okay, here is the solution. Here are some variables we're gonna use. And you can download this solution from Metaverse, the .py file. And then run it. Still, you will get an address. Okay, you get the address. And then copy paste this address, go to your browser. See, this one is slightly different from the first one. It has the population information. Okay, here comes the exercise 3. Here are the variables we're gonna use in this exercise. Here is the solution. Still, you can download it from the Metaverse, the .py file. And then you can run this file in your computer. Okay, let's press the Run button to see whether we still will have an address. Yes, we get an address here. And copy paste the address to the browser. Here, you can get a more complicated page. And you can check with the data, the numbers in the dataset with our web page. Okay, here comes next exercise, exercise 4. Here is the solution. Again, you can download this .py file and try to understand it through a comprehensive reading, because most of the components in this file we've already learned in this series of lessons. In this solution, we will compare different gender, right? The male and the female. So we use the pop M and the pop F, which represents the population of female and the population of male. Okay, again, let's try to press the run button. Be careful, sometimes the previous program we didn't finish, so we need to press Ctrl and C together to finish the previous one, and then press the run button, get address, and use the address, go to the browser. Here we can get this dynamic figure. Use the drop down menu, we can control this figure's content. Okay, you can try more options by yourself. Okay, the last one, the last exercise today, the 5th one. Here is the solution. Also, please download this .py file from the metaverse and have a try in your computer. Okay, it's longer than previous exercises, right? This is the most complicated one we have today. And by pressing the run button, we can get the address again and go to the web page. See, here is the result. Looks nice, right? We have 2 drop-down menus so that we can compare the distribution of different genders population between 2 different districts. Okay, and then you can try more options by yourself later. Okay, here are all the 5 exercises we have today. Thank you very much and see you next time.